Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete history on Google Chat. So this is the easy way how you can delete it. So all you have to do now, you can download the Google Chat app, and don't forget to sign in into your Google account or Gmail in order to start new chat with someone on Google Chat. And let's start. In order to delete, for example, you can tap the like the person. Here there is no way you can delete the history of the chat, but you can hide this conversation, or even you can block and report this person. But if you tap the chat, then you can tap again the person at the top of your screen. Here you can try to delete this conversation. You can delete history on Google Chat of someone, and even if necessary, you can consider to turn off the history. Messages sent now are deleted in 24 hours since you turn off this feature. So once more, if you are first time using a Google Chat, you can try to delete the history on this app. So for example, I already delete the chat history of someone on this app. As you can see, you turn the history off, messages with history off are deleted. Here, in order to do this, you can tap on person at the top of your screen. Again, tap on the person. Here you can try to turn off history. So the history is off, and you can delete the conversation, like a message sent with history off are deleted after 24 hours. Even if you want to delete completely, you can tap on delete conversation. Deleting a conversation from your history is permanent. Other participants can still view this conversation, but just one tap, now you delete the conversation with that person. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. There's a text button below. See you in the next video.